the boardroom of Fijian Holdings Limited, basically the largest company in Fiji. It's 500 million in total assets, and we are really proud to be part of this. Our policy doesn't allow us to sponsor anything in rugby or any sports, but this is an exception. We thought that it's very important to give something back to the sports, especially in upcoming Rio Games, and definitely we are looking forward that you will bring the gold back. That is what we are all looking. So this is a small contribution what we have done. So wish you all the best. Thank you very much for coming. So don't waste time. Go back to train and make sure you bring the gold. Sevens is fine, but we really want you to bring the gold back. That is one of the things. So again, thank you very much for coming. And this is a small token of appreciation for your performance so far.